I'm gonna unbox this right here and then show them how much money can I make reselling it.
Out of that box right there. That was pretty good, man.
Alright, this is for you, bro.
Oh, you don't have... Thank you, so you don't have to, man.
No, it's okay.
Oh,
no
thank you so much, sir.
Enjoy it. Enjoy the day.
Take care. We'll see you.
Alright, bye. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is my second return pallet I ever received, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what's the value inside. My first one was actually very successful. I spent $1,450 on it and I already made my money back, and now it's all profit. You probably gonna see what I have left here, a bunch of remotes and stuff from Walmart. Today's video is sponsored by directliquidation.com. Thank you guys so much for sending me this. I really appreciate it. Their website features return pallets from Amazon, Walmart, Target, and more. If you have a group of people who wants to buy a specific product, or if you have a store and you want to pack up with a bunch of return products to sell for profit, check out their website in the link below. This pallet cost about $1,200 to $1,300 including shipping to get, but if you live close to the warehouse it can be $900. And we'll see how much is inside. I took a look at the manifest, which is the list of things included in it, which is approximately, of course, and I saw a lot of stuff that I already have. It will be easy for me to relist it and just add to the inventory I already have. That's why I chose this pallet. But pallet selection and pallet choice is up to you. It really depends if you're selling clothes or if you're selling fishing equipment, whatever it is, they have it there and you choose the one that fits for you. So let's go ahead and start. I'll try to be quick. The first thing I see is 3 USB by SanDisk 32 gigs. This is $30 right here. This is an awesome find. The first item I see already. Those projectors, I already know them. I already sold all of them actually. I had like 5 projectors and I sold all of them, so now I can sell more. Those projectors are about $45 each. Let's see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3 projectors. That's it for now. Let's keep going. So we also have here some sound bars, I think. Oh, that actually antennas. Those are antennas. That's really cool. So we have 2 antennas, 3. Those antennas actually don't sell for that much, maybe $20 each at the most. Those DVDs, they included in a lot of those auctions, have those DVDs. They're pretty cheap. They don't even have HDMI cable, so those are maybe $5. People actually buy them from OfferUp. It's not really worth it to ship them because they're heavy. I think there's like 30 in them, so that's maybe about $150 for all of those. Oh, nice! Some old school portable CD radio thing. That's not worth much. Maybe $15. Those battery chargers worth about $5. I sell those on OfferUp. They come in person and buy those. Just because people don't really buy those online. Those phones are actually very valuable. They sell about for $35 each, and there's a bunch of them. We have a 2 set here, there's a 1 set. This is probably about $40, this is $30. More phones, $30. This is probably $20. Another 2 set, that's another like $40. And another projector, $45. Those antennas, I see them a lot on those returns, and they don't worth much actually. I don't know. It's hard to sell. I didn't sell any yet. Evo VR. I actually don't know how much it's worth. It looks like a nice controller for virtual reality. Probably like $15. Ooh, what's in here? It came in a box, in a Walmart box. I never really received returns like this before. Ooh, nice. This is a camera. Mini O camera. It looks like in used condition. Maybe $20. Okay, those chargers sell about $15. I sold many of those. More headsets. Those are like great. Easy to sell. Some of the stuff here is gonna be new, Ooh, nice. Star Wars Blu-ray. Brand new. And I think there's plenty of those in here. Soundbar. Those doesn't really sell, about maybe $15. Those speakers are nice, but they don't sell very well, actually. Those ones... just PC speakers, I'll just keep them for now. I can't really sell them. Another antenna. Antennas doesn't sell very well, so maybe $10. Oh, this looks like a nice screen rotation keyboard case. This is actually, well, it says $19 right there by Walmart. This is probably then $10 maybe. Oh, wow, look at that antenna. Look at that. That actually looks expensive. This might be expensive, by General Electric Pro antenna mount. This is for serious people who does not want to pay for cable. Probably has a lot of value. This is probably like $30. Another box. Let's see what's inside. I like those boxes. What is that? It's a camera case, case logic. maybe $5. Wow, look at that. That's a nice headset by Turtle Beach. I sold those so fast for like $40-50 each. So this is easy $40. This is a nice headset. Look at that, came all fall apart. Wireless chargers doesn't sell very well, maybe $10 over time. Those ones also doesn't sell very well. Those are Bluetooth cassette adapters. I think there's plenty of those, maybe 20 in here. They're about $6 each maybe. Those actually sell pretty well. Those are like wireless headset. They actually sound pretty nice. Those are about $20 each. Whoa, this is some serious antenna. Maybe $20 for this antenna. Those are nice. Oh, nice. Brand new Netgear 5-port internet switch. Nice. Those are like $20. Sometimes you get brand new stuff. Sometimes you get like rocks as a return. That's very rare. And then sometimes you get damaged stuff. But mostly it's used working stuff. And brand new stuff is maybe 10%. And it looks like here that might be 5% of new stuff in here. What is this? Oh wow, it's on sale, clearance, $2 on Walmart. This is worthless now at this point. I have a trash pile for donation, or maybe if I open a store one day, I'm gonna sell those for like $1 each or 50 cents each. We'll see. I'm just gonna keep them and give them away for now. Oh, this is a mount for a car. Those worth about $5. It's hard to sell those on eBay if they're used already because they're $10 new, you know? Oh, ink for printers. Those are worthless. I mean, it's really hard to sell those. Haven't really sold any of those yet, so worthless. Some of the stuff you're gonna get is gonna be junk in this part of this business. Also, those cases doesn't worth much. It just it really depends on what you get. It's never gonna be everything you want. It's gonna be like 70% stuff you can sell and 30% stuff that you're gonna give away or maybe sell an offer up. Ooh, look at this box. It feels heavy. What's in there? Let's see. Oh, nice. I think I know what this is. Those are accessories for a GoPro. Look at that. Those are cool. I like those kits. It looks like a nice kit too. Those are like a water floating things, and we have a selfie stick. Those not worth much, but maybe the whole kit itself, it's brand new, so it does have some value for sure. It comes with a nice case too. So yeah, this is maybe $20. Those speakers worth about $10. Those waterproof used speakers. I did sell a few. I just have to add it to my listing, so this will be easy. Oh, those batteries pack are nice, but they don't sell. Again, they may be worth $40 when you buy them new, but once it's used, it just doesn't sell very well. So those are just for me. I just have a bunch of them. And if you want one, leave a comment below. Maybe I'll ship you one. See, that's why I chose this palette, because I have most of those things already, so it'll be easier for me to relist. We have a Pan movie, Blu-ray, and we have Black Rain movie. Those are actually pretty good movies. You know what? I noticed that the DVDs so far, all of them are brand new. This is really cool. Also, another brand new PS3 games. Those probably worth $10, but yeah, all the DVDs I got today, all the CDs are brand new. That's awesome. It's so easy to sell those when they're new. Those Marses are worthless donation or giveaway. One of them got out of the box. They still have a lot of value. I sold those so fast. Oh, nice Cricket wireless phone. It says no claim filed. I don't know what that means, but this looks like a nice phone. What kind of phone is this? Oh, nice. This is Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Let me Google this real quick, how much it's worth. Wow, $100 brand new. And you know what? I think this is brand new. So maybe $80? Oh my God, really? That's a lot just for one item. This is awesome. This is one of my best finds so far. Ooh, what is this? There's a cable sticking out of it. Oh, it's a projector. Why is it like that? Oh my God. Yeah, this looks like in a bad shape, and it's also missing the focus ring. They have a focus ring here. That's a bad return, not even the original box, just some random bag. Below $10, it's not really worth it to sell stuff on eBay, so those will try to be in my giveaway pile or my offer up pile. When people come and pick up, then it's kind of worth it. Anything below $10, all the fees, shipping and stuff, it's kind of like not worth it. I'm gonna start opening the box here to have a little better view. Hold on, what is this? Oh wow, that's a nice Polaroid tripod. I do have a tripod already. Obviously, I'm using one right now. I'm probably gonna keep this, and I think it might be brand new actually. Yeah, it's brand new. Sweet. Aw, it's only $20. It is new, so yeah, I probably could sell it for $19 real quick. shipping will be like maybe $8, so I'm not gonna make much there. I thought it's gonna be nice, but it's pretty cheap item, I guess. Those are mounts and, you know, things for cell phones. To be honest with you, it's not a good deal to get things for cell phone. They just don't sell well, and then new phones come up, and then yours is not valuable anymore. So try to get away from cell phone accessories, I think, my opinion. Unless you own a cell phone store or something with a lot of traffic. I'm just looking for something really cool and valuable, you know, but so far DVDs and stuff, you know, oh wow. Wonder Woman! Oh, nice! That's actually a movie I really liked. It's even marked as $30. This is probably $25. Those are new DVDs. Awesome. All of them are brand new. I'm so happy about that. Oh, waterproof bag. I always wanted one of those. I'm actually gonna keep that to put my phone in there when I go swimming or whatever. What is this box? You know, they have a little note saying what's the return reason and stuff, but I don't really read it because usually it's all lie. You know, you have to just test it. They say it's broken, damaged, and then it's brand new. They just put whatever reason in there. But let's see what's inside. Extra video camera. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. That's so abused though. It's cool. I've never seen that. It's like a power bank with a connector right there to just plug it to the wall and charge right away. And it has a micro USB cable and an iPhone cable. Okay, that's cool. It looks heavily abused though. It's a nice gift for someone who needs it. Oh damn. Blu-ray DVD right there. I really hope this works. Of course I have to test it. If this is used and works, this worth only about $40, maybe $35. It's an older version. I don't think it supports 4K, but pretty cool. $40, $30 right there. Much better than those DVD players that don't even have HDMI. Man of Steel in 3D. Bam! Oh, it's only like $18. I thought it would be more. Oh, nice jazz. Looks like brand new. Maybe not brand new. Now that I look at it, this is cheap. This is not worth much. Oh, ink. Okay, this is brand new. This might have some value. Again, inks are not very good. Don't buy those inks. Those I get a lot. Those are little headsets. Again, worthless. Here's more of those. Unless it's like branded ones, like the one I had before. Turtle Beach. You know, those are very valuable. Those are not. Another pan DVD. It's good to have duplicates. It's easier to sell that way. It's one listing, multiple products on eBay. I think as I go down the pile, it gets worse and worse though. More DVDs. Bring on the DVDs. So easy to sell those and put them in a bag, sell them $20 each, easy. Oh, look at that. LG headset. Those actually looks pretty expensive. I hope it's in there. It is in there. This is actually a nice headset. Let's see what it's worth. Hell yeah, $50. So maybe $35 used. Awesome. I'm happy about this one. It's a nice find. LG. Mercury Smart Wi-Fi camera. This is about $30 new, maybe $20 used. Not bad. We're getting deeper in. We're maybe 50% in already. I'm looking for something valuable. A lot of duplicates so far. Same headsets we've seen before, and I'll calculate it later how many of those I found because I have to sort them out, see which one is new, see which one is used. So I'm looking for something really valuable. Oh, look at this Vonage one. Actually, it doesn't have much value. Maybe $10. It's big and heavy though. I don't know how I'm gonna ship this. This is a phone. Let's check this phone out. Huh, it's upside down. This is probably worthless. It looks like a cheap phone. I thought it would be like an expensive phone. So we have a mystery box here. It's taped really well and feels heavy. Oh, nice. It looks like a brand new Next book with Intel? What is this? Intel inside of this? And it's worth about $40. I thought it would be worth more because it has an Intel chip in it, but it's just an Android tablet. I was wishing for like a Windows tablet, but yeah, $40, not bad. Cool little white box with $40 in it. Would you look at that? This is my loot. Look how many things. It's crazy. So many diversity of products this time. And I want to show you guys my most valuable products first. So what we have here is 12 Star Wars The Last Jedi DVD Blu-rays, brand new. This time I got plenty of DVDs and Blu-rays that are brand new. I never received so many brand new ones. That's really cool. All those DVDs here is estimated about $200-300, which is awesome because each one of those is about $20. And there's Wonder Woman and a bunch of really awesome DVDs. And look at that, there's iFit 2 right here by Samsung Galaxy iFit 2, and it looks like in really good condition. Of course I have to test it out. That's another 50 bucks, and I found a phone in there. This is the Samsung Soul 2, which sells for 75 bucks. Really good find. This is one of the most expensive items that I have found on those crates, on those return crates. This one is also about $40 easy. This one sells for another 40 bucks. This flashlight, it's really nice, actually, metal and everything. It's about 20 bucks. And look at the Turtle Beach. It's actually brand new. The box is a little messed up in the back, so even though it's brand new, I can probably only sell it for about 35 bucks, but still, that's awesome. All those things combined are almost $600, just those few items here. And remember, there's 500 products in this crate, on this returned pallet. The most valuable things we have in this pallet are the headphones. All those phones you see here, we have about 60 to 65 of them, and each one sells for at least $20 or more. I mean, the double set's probably gonna sell for more, but yeah, about 20 bucks each. So that gives us $1,200, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 projectors. Each one about $45 sold. After shipping and fees, there's maybe about $30 profit each. That's another $300 something. And we also have 38 old DVD players with no HDMI. Those I value at about $3 each only, so that's about 100 bucks only. But we also have 100 or even more single products that are worth $10 or more each. Look at those wireless fast chargers, Bluetooth cassettes. Those I sell all the time, about 8 bucks. I already have a lot of those, and I almost sold out already. I was also surprised to see that this antenna right there is $50 brand new. So this looks like open box kind of situation or used. That's easy 40 bucks just for that huge antenna. I thought it's kind of worthless, but those antennas has actually a high value. And of course we have a bunch of small speakers. Those goes for about 10 bucks. Not much, but we have about 10 speakers or even more, maybe 15 speakers. We also got a brand new Netgear switch, and also this SanDisk, 3 of them, 32 gigs each times 3. That's easy 30 bucks right there. What you see here is about 200 products that unfortunately I cannot sell. Those are different adapters, connectors, car mounts, you know, phone and tablet cases. Those things I just cannot sell. They have less than $5 or $10 value on eBay. So with the shipping and all that, it's just not gonna worth it. I mean, I might use some of them because it's like lightning cables and accessories and all kind of different cool stuff. It's just not sellable. It's just pretty much for giveaway. So if you see something in this pile that you like, please leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to ship it to you guys, so you guys can have some of the experience that I'm having also, to kind of have the return pallet unboxing experience with you guys together. This is the end of the video. I calculated an estimate of $3,500 sale value of all of those items. Maybe after shipping and fees is about $2,900. Of course it requires work. I spent about 3 hours sorting them out. I didn't even test them yet, so I still need to test them. That's probably another 1 or 2 hours, because not everything is electronics. But it does take time. You have to consider that as well. Listing them online will take a few hours. All of that together is definitely a bunch of hours to spend. So you can calculate it too. But the result will be tripling your money. And yeah, that's really awesome. I'm really happy with this pallet. I didn't expect like nice like smartwatch and with GPS in it, and a brand new phone, which is actually has some value, and all those DVDs. I'm actually very happy with this pallet. It's very different from my other pallet that I received before, but it has a lot more expensive single items, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you directliquidation.com for sponsoring this video. Link in the description below. If you're a company or a group of people who want to buy a specific product or sort of products, you can definitely find it there, so check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I really enjoy making them. Leave a comment below for some products you might see that you like. I do some giveaways for you guys because I really appreciate all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.